morning, you guys. So sorry if you hear the fan, but we packed the car up and we're getting ready to go to Kentucky and yeah, get started on our road trip. We're a lot of hours behind. We wanted to leave really early in the morning, but it's 9 o'clock now, and we were supposed to get up at 4. So it's gonna be quite a long trip, but I'm excited to get back home, see our parents and stuff, see some family. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along this journey. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's roll the clip.
I just want you to know that you are the special. I just want you to know that you are the special.
Well, you guys, it's midnight and we made it to Trey's parents' house. I'm so tired. Trey opened the garage and a huge spider ran out. How do you even know what a wolf spider is? Ew, I've never seen a wolf spider. Have y'all seen a wolf spider? Because no, absolutely not. That thing was that big. But yeah, we're here. We need to unload, get the kids, get the dog, and get some rest. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Say hi to my vlog. We're going to church.
You need to see the peanut butter cups, right? No?
And we're late.
Just say Reese's and we'll get some. Okay. Reese's. Always be late,
Stop. This is our hometown. Little Oak Grove. Dang, Trey.
I'm there. Gotta stop.
A whole bunch of nothing.
Oh shit, man. I've heard we used to run through cornfields, man.
Yeah. I've never done that.
Never do that. Again.
All the ticks and...
Spiders. That's really I used to read about spiders out there. In the cornfield, man. Making my own names, fucking up people's lifestyle.
It's so green out here, though. Everything in Texas, California is so burnt.
All the spots we lived in was all burnt.
Yeah. It's so green out here.
So many bugs.
Yeah. There's bugs that I've never seen before. There was one on the door at the house.
And I opened mom and dad's door.
That thing had horns on it.
Stink bug.
It was tiny and super skinny. I don't know. And it was gray. I don't know what that was. Anyways, we're almost to church, and then we're gonna get lunch. And then we can see my parents. I can't wait to see them. We're here.
Only 20 minutes late.
Because you're here. This is an unprecedented time. There's more female artists in the game.
Good morning, you guys. So we've been having a lot of mornings together. Right now I am making my son an egg, and I'm gonna get ready in a little bit, but I also made me some coffee as well. So we're drinking our morning coffee. So in Texas, I wasn't drinking coffee because honestly, it's really hot in Texas, and here in Kentucky, in the morning times, it's very kind of cool, and in the house is chilly. So I definitely have been loving my morning cup of coffee. So that has been nice. We've been here for what? We got here Saturday night, right? Something like that. So Sunday, Monday. This is our 3rd day here in Kentucky. So we leave to Puerto Rico in 2 more days. So I'm super excited. I can't wait for that adventure to start and to relax. And honestly, I haven't really planned out what we're gonna do. I was looking at stuff to do in Puerto Rico, but I don't know if we're just gonna go with the flow. I do have family out there, so we might go visit and stuff, just depending. And Emmy's crying. Today I plan on going to probably Home Goods. They have a Home Goods out here. They just opened like a few months ago. And I was here, but they had opened like, they were opening like a week after I left. So I didn't get to go see what they had, to see what they have and stuff. So today I kind of want to go check that out with my mom, like go on a little trip with my mom, go to TJ Maxx, maybe Target. I'm thinking about buying some more lashes and stuff because I was doing the under the lash, like they're still holding up strong and stuff, but I think I'm just gonna buy some like just regular lash glue and just call it a day. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, baby. Ooh, Papa will make you pancakes a different day, okay? One thing about me, I do not make the best pancakes, but one thing for sure, Papa and your daddy can make some really good pancakes. I don't make good pancakes. My pancakes, my pancakes be dry. No, mommy's pancakes be dry, Travell. I don't think you want my pancakes. All right, come sit down.
Okay.
All right. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up.
Hello guys, today I ate eggs and crackers. Hello, I eat crackers.
Okay, I'm with my mom. We're here at Home Goods. This is the Home Goods I was telling y'all. It's actually connected to the mall. I've never seen a Home Goods connected to a Governor. This is a Governor Square Mall, right? Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, let's see what they have. It's a video. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. How does your English automatically sound? I thought it was hi, YouTube. Have you been practicing? No. We're here. Oh yeah, we need a cart. Oh, this looks so nice. Got it. I automatically want everything. So cute. I'm just happy to be in Clarksville. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my goodness. I need it. Oh, this is so cute. Even how they have the setup. What? You guys, look at these chairs. They're a little pricey, but they're so nice. Y'all, look what I found. This is for $34.99. Okay, we're at Target now. We didn't find anything at Home Goods, so I think if I find this Stanley Cup, then I'm probably gonna get it. I didn't realize that this Target was small. It is a small Target, so they didn't have it. They didn't even have like a section where they actually have like the furniture out and like displayed or anything. So the Clarksville Target was a bust. So now we're going to TJ Maxx, and I have a feeling we're gonna find a lot of like good stuff there. So, okay, we're going to TJ Maxx. Let's see what they have. I know. I didn't want to waste time. Yeah. Let's get a cart. Yes, please. Thank you. Are you gonna? Let's go look at the purses. Yeah. Here, just turn through here. Kind of like a medium purse, but something that's like vacation-y, I guess. Neutral. No, I don't need a book bag. I need something that's... This one kind of matches that. Makeup section, they have the one size. This looks like this is the matte eye popper, and they're for $6.99. And they have a whole bunch of MAC, NARS, Jaclyn, a lot of stuff, and even Milk too. So they have a lot of Milk makeup too.